Hello everyone, today I'm going to try the pizza flavor of Pringles. So look right here. Do you smell it? That's good. That's good.
Hmm?
That's
What's
good.
your crumbs? So look, you drop it in the floor.